Hi and Assalamualaikum. So this is week 6 already. So this is one of the problem that I see a lot of students are doing, where they cannot differentiate countable and uncountable noun as well as quantifier. I think you guys can differentiate which one is countable, which one is uncountable nouns. The problem is that you guys didn't put article in front of um, singular countable noun. For example, smart boy. Boy is a countable noun and there's only one, so you need to have a in front of it. Okay, if you are talking about a particular boy, then you should use the smart boy. Alright, so today I want you guys to differentiate which one is countable, which one is uncountable. I'll write this one down and then circle the correct words to complete the rules. I already told you guys the rules just now, so you should know. And then some nouns can be both countable and uncountable depending on their meaning. How is the meaning of hair different in these sentences? So you need to explain a bit why one is countable, the other one is uncountable. Alright, because this one has hairs. And then try to complete the table below using these words and try to do G. You don't have to do and E. You don't have to do this. Alright, moving on. This is another one that I want you guys to do, which is writing an email. Before that, I want to tell you a bit about abbreviation. Abbreviation is something where we shorten words. For example, morning we use AM, and then afternoon we use PM. People's title like Mrs., Mr., Miss, like this, and Doctor. Ordinal number when we have TH or ST or ND or RD. Parts of the language, for example itself, we use EG. ETC means etc. IE means that's to say. And then some countries we use abbreviation. For example, United States of America, United Kingdom, United Arab Emirates. So this is the abbreviation for those countries. Example. And then sometimes in address, when we have the word road, we use RD. When we have the word street, we use ST. And when we has the word avenue, we use AVE. Alright, so now I want you guys to do A. Do A. Simple enough, there's only one abbreviation here. Number 2, there's only another one. This one is one as well. Another one here. This one has two abbreviation inside of it. This one, one. This one has 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So another task that I want you guys to do is to write an email later on. Before that, try to do D, E, and then read some useful expression. Sorry, my circle is not perfect. And then this is your task. Write an email to a friend to invite them to the party. In your email, you should You need to have this thing. Tell your friend why you are telling them. Give them information about the party. Ask your friend to reply. And then I want you guys to add one more thing. Why do you guys organize the party? Here it says 35 to 45 words. I don't want this. I want 60. No, 80 words. So try to make it longer. Use this expression. You can read this as an example, but try to add more. Why do you guys organize the party, as well as why do you think your friends would love to go to the party? All right, that's all for today. Thank you very much, guys.